Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Learn with Surbhi, and in the continuation of algebraic identities, today we are going to start the product of two binomials. In our previous videos, we have already learned about different algebraic identities and the expansion of the square of the trinomial. You can go through with those videos by just pressing on the I button that is given at the top right corner of this video. And also I have provided the links in the description of this video. Okay, let's start. Product of two binomials that are x plus a and x plus b. When we have to multiply x plus a and x plus b, in these two binomials, the first terms are same and the second terms are different. We will get x plus a multiplied by the first term of the second binomial, that is x, plus x plus a multiplied by the second term of the second binomial. Open these brackets, we will get x square plus ax plus bx plus ab. In second and third term, x is common, so we can write it as x square plus a plus b multiplied by x plus ab, and this is the identity. X plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b multiplied by x plus ab. Let's take an example. In this we have to find the product of these two binomials. In this the first terms are same, so x is equal to x, that is the first term. A will be the second term of the first binomial, that is 5. B is the second term of the second binomial, that is 4. Now use the identity x plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b multiplied by x plus ab. Now put these values in this identity. X plus 5 multiplied by x plus b, that is x plus 4. We will get x square, that is x square, plus a plus b, that is 5 plus 4, that is 5 plus 4 multiplied by x, the value of x is x, plus ab, that is 5 multiplied by 4. What we will get? X square plus 9x plus 5 4s are 20, and this is the answer. Let's do one more example. We have to find the product of y square minus 6 and y square plus 7. Use the same identity where x is equal to the first term of both the binomials, that is y square. A is the second term of the first binomial, that is minus 6. B is the second term of the second binomial, that is 7. Now put these values in the identity. Let's see. Y square minus 6, x plus a, that is y square minus 6 multiplied by x plus b, that is y square plus 7. On the right hand side, x square, x is y square, so we have to square the y square. Okay, because the value of x is y square और हमें x square लिखना है, तो we have to write the square of y square plus a plus b, that is minus 6 plus 7. इसको हम ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे minus 6 plus 7. आगे हमें लिखना है x, that is y square. Put the value of x plus a multiplied b, that is minus 6 multiplied by 7. इसको भी हम ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे minus 6 multiplied by 7. Now let's see what we will get. Square of y square, we will get y raised to the power 4 minus 6 plus 7, we will get plus 1, and 1 multiplied by y square, we will get y square. Now we have to multiply minus 6 and 7, we get minus 42. 7 6 are 42 and we are having minus sign over here. So we get minus 42. Minus 42. हमने क्या किया? माइनस 6 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 7 दैट इज माइनस 42 और हमने जब ब्रैकेट ओपन किया तो हमारा प्लस माइनस माइनस हो गया. We get minus 42 over here and this is the answer. Let's do one more example. In this we have to find the product of x minus 3 by 5 and x minus 1 by 2. Both are binomials. पर दोनों ही binomials में second terms negative sign के साथ हैं. But we have to use the same identity, that is x plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b multiplied by x plus ab, where x is equal to x. In these two binomials, the first term is x. A, that is the second term of the first binomial, that is minus 3 by 5. क्योंकि फर्स्ट बाइनोमियल में सेकंड टर्म नेगेटिव साइन के साथ है तो हमें नेगेटिव साइन के साथ ही लिखना होगा. b, that is the second term of the second binomial. Again, this is minus 1 by 2. That is the second term is again with negative sign. तो हमें ध्यान से उसको नेगेटिव साइन के साथ ही लिखना होगा. Now put these values in the identity. x plus a multiplied by x plus b, that is x minus 3 by 5 multiplied by x minus 1 by 2 is equal to x square, that is x square as it is, plus a plus b, that is minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 plus b, that is minus 1 by 2 x plus a multiplied b, that is minus 3 by 5 multiplied by minus 1 by 2. बेटा हम इनको ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे वरना हम खुद कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे कि कहाँ माइनस का साइन है और कहाँ प्लस का साइन है. नाउ वी आर हैविंग minus 3 by 5 multiplied by minus 1 by 2. Now in the next step we have to write x square. Take the LCM of these two. Put the plus sign over here. Bracket लगाएंगे और LCM लेंगे. 5 2s are 10. 2 3s are 6. Minus 6. Put minus sign over here. 2 5s are 10. 5 1s are 5. Bracket close. X. Now multiply these terms. Minus 3 by 5 multiplied by minus 1 by 2. We get plus 3 by 10. Minus 3 by 5 multiplied by minus 1 by 2, we get positive 3 by 10. Now open this bracket. What we will get? X square minus minus plus we get minus 11 by 10. X plus 3 by 10. This is the answer. Dear students, when we have to find the product of two binomials, there are total 4 cases. In the first case, दोनों binomials के अंदर second term positive है, plus a plus b. In case 2, first binomial के अंदर second term negative है with negative sign and second binomial में second term positive sign के साथ है. Okay? केस थर्ड में फर्स्ट बाइनोमियल के अंदर सेकेंड टर्म पॉजिटिव साइन के साथ है और सेकेंड बाइनोमियल में सेकेंड टर्म नेगेटिव साइन के साथ है. केस फोर्थ में फर्स्ट बाइनोमियल की सेकेंड टर्म नेगेटिव साइन के साथ है एंड सेकेंड बाइनोमियल में सेकेंड टर्म नेगेटिव साइन के साथ है. इन सभी केसेस में हम एक ही आइडेंटिटी यूज कर सकते हैं, दैट इज x प्लस a मल्टीप्लाइड बाय x प्लस b इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस a प्लस b मल्टीप्लाइड बाय x प्लस a मल्टीप्लाइड बाय b. अब इस आइडेंटिटी को यूज करते हुए जब हम a और b की वैल्यूज रखेंगे तो हमें ध्यान से इसको हैंडल करना होगा. जहाँ पे नेगेटिव टर्म है वहाँ पे हमें इसकी वैल्यू नेगेटिव में लिखनी होगी, और जहाँ पे b की टर्म नेगेटिव है वहाँ पर b की वैल्यू हमें नेगेटिव फॉर्म में रखनी होगी। इन चीज़ों का स्पेशली ध्यान रखना होगा, तब हमें और ज़्यादा फॉर्मूलेज लर्न करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। अगर हम इस फॉर्मूले को लर्न कर लेते हैं और नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव साइन का ध्यान रखते हैं तो हमारे क्वेश्चंस बिल्कुल भी गलत नहीं होंगे। ओके, सपोज a is -1 and b is +2 and x is equal to p. Now in the same identity, let's put the value of a, b and x. X plus a, that is p plus a, that is -1. So we have to write p minus 1. X plus b, that is p plus 2. P plus 2. On right hand side, x square, that is p square, plus a plus b, that is -1. ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे इसको, -1 plus b, that is +2. X, that is p, plus a into b, that is -1 multiplied by +2, that is 2. Now we have to solve this. So dear students, this is a question for you. Now solve this and give me the answer in comment box. Dear students, here is a practice question for you. Just do this question and answer me in the comment section. Okay, let's do one more question, and this is by using a suitable identity, evaluate 102 multiplied by 104. We have to convert 102 and 104 in binomial form. Let's see, we can write it as 100 plus 2 multiplied by 100 plus 4. Now we have converted 102 in binomial form, and also we have converted 104 in binomial form, and this is just like x plus a multiplied by x plus b, where a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 4. Now we have to put the values in the identity, and identity is x plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b multiplied by x plus ab. Then you can find the answer easily. Let's take one more example. In this we have to multiply 203 by 198. Convert these two numbers in binomial form. This is 200 plus 3 multiply by 200 minus 2. बेटा हमेशा याद रखेंगे कि बेस नंबर दैट इज x, जो फर्स्ट टर्म है दोनों बाइनोमियल्स की वो सेम होनी चाहिए, तभी आप इस आइडेंटिटी को यूज कर पाएंगे। यहाँ पर हमारे पास x क्या है 200, a क्या है 3 और b क्या है -2, और हम इसी आइडेंटिटी को यूज करके इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, you are required to evaluate 708 multiplied by 696 using a suitable identity. Just find the answer and give me the answer in the comment section. That's all for today.